Hi, and welcome back to the final lesson of your Getting Started course. In this lesson, we'll be talking about the best way to manage a project from start to finish using your CoSchedule marketing calendar. This lesson is ideal for new CoSchedule marketing calendar users and marketers who want to save time planning and completing projects. If you've been following along with this course, you've already learned the basics of managing projects on your CoSchedule calendar, but in this lesson, we're going to bring it all together. In just 5 steps, I'll walk you through the best way to manage a project from start to finish. To start, you'll want to add projects to your marketing calendar. Knowing what types of projects to put on your calendar is tricky. Think about projects you complete on a regular basis, like weekly or monthly email newsletters, upcoming events, and blog posts. For this video, I'll showcase how to manage a blog post project type from start to finish, but this process can be applied to any type of content you create. To add a new project, hover over any date on your calendar and click the plus sign to create a new project on that date. Remember though, that once a project is on your calendar, the timeline is not set in stone. You can easily move projects that are on hold off of your calendar by clicking the Ideas button and dragging a project into the Ideas bin. This keeps projects off your calendar, but still on your radar. When you're ready to work on it, simply drag the project out of the Ideas bin and onto the calendar. After you've scheduled a project on your calendar, you'll want to apply a task checklist to make sure everything gets done on time. If you want, you can create your own tasks from scratch. However, it's easiest to start with one of CoSchedule's preset task templates and edit it from there. Let's head over to the CoSchedule calendar to apply a to-do list. To create a task list, go to the right pane of your project, click the 3 dots, and then Task Template. Since we're working on a blog post, we'll select Blog Post to apply a list of relevant tasks. After you've applied the task template, you can easily delete tasks, assign them to someone else, and apply a due date. If you're happy with your changes, you can resave your customized checklist by going back into the task templates and clicking Save Existing. Your new task list will now be available for you to use on future projects. Next, you'll want to attach a Google Doc to your project. This allows you to write content and collaborate with your team directly inside your CoSchedule calendar. If you prefer, you can also use the text editor, Microsoft Office 360, or Evernote to draft your content. Once you're ready to publish your blog post, you can use the Convert to WordPress button to automatically move everything in the Google Doc over to a new WordPress post with just one click. The next step is to add a social media campaign to your project. This allows you to write, collaborate, and promote your content all from CoSchedule. First, add your social messages one by one to create a social media drip campaign to drive more traffic to your blog posts over time. Next, you can save that campaign as a template to use again. This way, you don't have to remember again and again what channels you posted to and on which day. To save your social campaign as a template, simply click the new template icon and then choose Save Existing. You can also create a read-only link of your social campaign to share with anyone and get approval. Simply click the ellipses at the top of the project and choose Share. Enable sharing on the social campaign only option, then send the link to anyone who needs to give feedback or approval. Once you've completed all the previous steps, it's time to schedule your blog post. This will not only schedule your blog post to publish, it will also set in motion the social media campaign you created. The project status is in the top right corner of your project. When you're ready to schedule your project, click Draft and then change the status to Scheduled. You can still edit your project before it publishes, but CoSchedule will push everything live at the scheduled time and day. That's the end of your Getting Started course. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our helpful support team for assistance. Thank you so much for watching.